India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity, alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Student News Bulletin is brought to you by Grade-VIII Sapphire. Today's international and national news is brought to you by Komal from Grade-VIII Sapphire. International news. Iran will determine when the war ends, says Revolutionary Gujarat spokesperson. National news. Rahul Gandhi has never blown before this government, says Priyanka. Thank you. Everyone, today's state news is brought to you by E. Kushmita of Grade-VIII Sapphire. State news. Tribal couple in Medak sells newborn baby boy to childless couples for 1.7 lakhs, 70 lakhs. Thank you. Today's sports news is brought to you by V. Mokshika from Grade-VIII Sapphire. Sports news. World Cup chief official says tournament is too big to be postponed among global tournament. Thank you. Today's weather report is brought to you by Bhimendra of Grade-VIII Sapphire. Maximum temperature 32 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 25 degrees Celsius, mostly sunny, precipitation 0%, wind speed 30 km per hour. Thank you. That's the end of today's news bulletin. My name is Jen from Grade-VIII Sapphire. Today's thought. Art is a tree of life, science is a tree of death. I will repeat it again. Art is a tree of life, science is a tree of death. Thank you. Today's word is brought to you by K. Shishwaran from Grade-VIII Sapphire. Word. Courage. The ability to face danger bravely, difficult. Friends, please spell after me. Courage. C-O-U-R-A-G-E. Courage. Thank you. Today's GK questions is brought to you by Ajay from Grade-VIII Sapphire. Question for Grade 7. What is the angle greater than 180 and less than 360? Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is reflex angle. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 8. What is meaning of pi? I'll repeat it again. What is meaning of pi? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer and the answer is 22/7. Grade 8. What is the value of pi? Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is 22/7. Question for Grade 8. Grade 9. Questions for all. What is the average natural number? Happy morning everyone, I am Shanika from Grade-VIII Sapphire. Now I am going to tell a speech on two mathematicians. First Srinivas Ramanujan. He is from poor family from Tamil Nadu. He had only few books for studying, but still he loved math. Even though he created some amazing formulas, later he worked with G.H. Hardy in UK. And second, woman mathematician. She had faced many problems as she was a girl. She faced those problems and she became first famous mathematician in the world. And this mathematician showed that dedication, hard work and curiosity are more than money and background. Last, I want to tell one thing. If someone judge or comment you just ignore me. Thank you.